Are you suffering from neck or back pain? Have you been told you need surgery? Hi, I'm Dr. Raymond Fiorini, a board-certified medical physiatrist. As a board member of Dissenters of America, I'm excited to say there is now a non-surgical solution for neck and back pain through spinal decompression.
Most chronic back problems are caused by compression from the discs becoming thinner and thinner as we get older. All we have to do is put the patient on the table and decompress them by slowly and easily milking water, nutrients, and oxygen back into the disc so the disc heals itself stronger than it was before. These treatments are so gentle, patients usually fall asleep. They don't have to go through the shots, the surgery, all the physical therapy, or painful, dangerous, invasive procedures and drugs.
You may be able to avoid surgery and get back to a normal pain-free life. Don't wait. Call now.
A call to us can change your life.